Welcome back, students. So today I will discuss the remaining part of the respirations topic. That is the respirations, and the one topic I think is left, that is the respirations and the photosynthesis differences. That is very important, and the need for growing for more and more plants. So what are the basic differences between the photosynthesis and the respiration process? Photosynthesis process occurs in the presence of the sunlight, and the respiration, that is, occurs in the all time, even in the absence of the light also. In case of photosynthesis, it requires the green pigment like chlorophyll, but in the case of respiration, it does not require chlorophyll occurs at a sense, because the in case of in related to the chlorophyll is not being involved in case of respiration. But photosynthesis, you know that the basic conditions, one of the basic conditions of the photosynthesis process. So in case of the photosynthesis process, the carbon dioxide and water is being used, but in the case of respiration, this is the product used food materials, or you can say that the byproduct of this respiration process, and oxygen is released is the end product in case of photosynthesis, but in case of the respirations, the carbon dioxide and the water are released at the end product, and the results in the weight gain and the growth, and the respiration process the result in the weight loss. So these are the basic 3 or 4 point about the respirations and the photosynthesis process. So basically the respiration process occurs every now and then, not every now and then, but all the time. But in case of the photosynthesis process, it is being involved on the only the daytime. So this is the very important point. Okay, and the respirations and the photosynthesis towards the completely different process. Respiration, the food synthesis and food synthesized process, but in the respirations process, basically it is the productions of the or the, you can say that the digestions of the food or the food burning process. So this the term is being involved in the case of the respirations. Okay, so in the case of the in the case of the living beings and the maintaining of the ecosystems, whole of the balance of the ecosystem. So this two of things, that is the photosynthesis and as well as the respiration process, is required, because the respirations process, this circulation is very important. Okay, the basically the photosynthesis process, it will after the photosynthesis process, it will give the oxygen, and this oxygen, the person the living things, living organisms take these oxygens for the process of the respirations or the complete the cycle. But in the case of the photosynthesis, that time the carbon dioxide is required. So without the carbon dioxide, the photosynthesis process will not be happened. So in case of photosynthesis, the carbon dioxide is required, and in the case of the respiration process, oxygen is required. So both are, that means photosynthesis and the respirations process, both are complementary to each other. Okay, so these things are being happen. So one is daytimes, another is the all the time. So I think hopefully you have understood the all the things, and so your work is you go through the videos. I think you go through the videos and practice more and more, because exam is very near, and I will discuss these chapters. I think you have been understood very well. So the questions, basically this photosynthesis and the respiration chapter, the short type of questions will become. Okay, so you have to be ready for that, and some of the differences part, that is the aerobic, anaerobic, photosynthesis, respiration, breathing, between cellular and the external respiration. So these are the differentiations between the two terms, this kind of questions, or we can say that the some small like questions, what is ATP, and what is aerobic, what is anaerobic respiration. So these are the combustion respirations, what are the basic differences. So we have just discussed today's video, we have discussed all the basic things is being in is terminologies is there. So what are the basic things in being involved. So these are the basic important part of the respirations. Okay, so your work, you just go through your syllabus also, these things. So your work is go through these things. I think hopefully you will be able to understood everything. Okay, thank you.